And then finally, commandment number 10 is thou shalt be a shameless cloner. So cloning is very good for your health. It's just there are many smart people who are great investors. In many cases, their portfolios are visible to us because it's required by law, and it's a great shortcut to look at what are the highest conviction ideas of some very smart people. And we have websites like Dataroma, for example, in the US, which is tracking a bunch of investors and telling you what the highest conviction bets are. And so I think cloning can be really good for your health. And that's the 10th and final commandment. And with that, Arvind, we'll open up for questions. So thank you.